How to budget your money for beginners. Budgeting is a key component of saving money. It helps you track your spending and find ways to reduce your expenses. There are many ways to successfully budget, but the most important thing is that it has to be easy for you to follow. Also, when creating your own budget, make sure it fits into your lifestyle and does not put too much financial strain on you. Now, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, make sure you click on the bell to turn on notifications. Step 1. Figure out your income. First, you need to know the total amount of all your monthly income. Start by listing all of your monthly income. If your income varies every month, take the last 3 months of income and do the average. Now use that as your monthly income. Step 2. Calculate your monthly expenses. Now that you know your monthly income, start listing all of your expenses. Break down all of your expenses into categories such as medical, food, rental, etc. Then think which one of them are fixed costs, variable costs, and discretionary costs. A good spreadsheet should have at least 3 columns: fixed, variable, and discretionary. Now add all your fixed expenses and you will know the total of your monthly obligations. Then, take the total monthly income, subtract the total monthly obligations, and you will have a clear idea of how much money you have left over each month for discretionary spending and financial goals. Step 3. List your financial goals. At this point, it's time to list your financial goals. Financial goals have to be listed in order of priority and can include anything such as saving for a down payment for a house, paying out all your debts, saving for retirement, etc. You will use part of your income to cover your long-term financial goals. I would personally start with saving for emergencies or emergency fund, to cover unexpected expenses such as doctor, car repair, dentist, etc. Step 4. Identify your discretionary expenses. Next, take the monthly discretionary costs and add them up. Now, after allocating the monthly income into the financial obligations and financial goals, you can use the remaining money for your discretionary expenses. Step 5. Create a complete budget by subtracting your total expenses from your income. To have a full picture of your expenditures, add up all the monthly expenses from the fixed costs, variable costs, and discretionary costs and subtract it from the monthly income. If the result is a negative number, that means you are spending more than you are making. If the number is positive, then congratulations, you spend less than what you are making, which it means that you can speed up the process on becoming financial independent. Step 6. Check your budget regularly and make adjustments accordingly. Constantly monitor your budget plan for any changes in your financial situation, and make the proper adjustments as needed. If you are struggling to follow your budgeting plan, try to manage your money using the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule can help you stay in control of your spending by showing where the money are going, and therefore, by creating a budget. Here is how the 50-30-20 rule works. 50% of your budget should be spent on needs, which are things essential to life and that you literally cannot live without. Things such as groceries, basic utilities, housing rent or mortgage, any minimum loan payments, transportation expenses, insurance, childcare, any other expenses that are necessary for your work, etc. If your needs exceed the 50% budget, then you can try to save money by shopping for cheaper insurance, refinance your mortgage, change with a better phone plan, etc. Or you can take away from the wants for a while. I know that it can be difficult, but if you're eager to get out of debt as fast as you can, all of this is needed until you have some savings or your debts are under control. 30% should be spent on wants, which could be classified as things that bring you joy and happiness but are not essential to living, such as dining out, entertainment, hobbies, gifts, travel, etc. I feel like a lot of people confuse wants for needs, and we know the difference deep down, but we really want the self-discipline to say no. The final 20% should be spent on savings or emergency fund, paying off debt, and retirement planning. Try to start your emergency fund with $500 if you can. You should have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in the emergency fund for emergency expenses. When paying off debt such as credit cards and personal loans, start from the ones with the highest interest rates. This will help you figure out where you can cut back in order to save more money. A successful budgeting strategy relies on the following principles. Be consistent with what you're doing. Be realistic with what you're doing. Track and monitor every penny that goes out of the account. The best way to start budgeting is by making a spreadsheet. You can make a spreadsheet by using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Once you know where your money goes, it's easier to decide how to spend less, or in other words, how to successfully budget. Money management is 90% discipline and 10% knowledge. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click on the bell. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.